How to change default photo viewer in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So to change your default photo viewer, you'll need to go to your settings, and then on the left hand side you'll find apps, tap on it, and then tap on default apps. Now here search for photos, tap on it, and here you'll be able to see your default photo viewer. So tap on it, and then you can choose the option that you want to be the default photo viewer. You can even choose apps in the Microsoft Store by installing it. So it's as simple as that. You just need to choose one and then set default. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.